So guys, nandun sa downtown Toronto.
What does it say, right on Church?
Always on the run.
My favorite music. All summer long. Summer feels good.
98.1 CHFI.
Oh, I don't like those dogs.
Yeah.
Dog grabs a hold of you, you're done.
Toronto ra jud na sila tay. Downtown.
Dili ba?
Atanan.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Church Street.
Two or 3 years ago.
Yeah. In 200 meters, turn right onto Church Street.
That was the plot for Trudeau to get re-elected. I think it was before the last election. He got re-elected because of that.
At the light, turn right onto Church Street.
Dulong ni St. Michael's Cathedral, guys.
Stand back, guys.
Church Street.
Did you see Hilo?
Oh. Oh, dyan tayo.
Car.
GTC, oh.
Left onto Shooter Street.
Oh, dyan yung GTC.
Car.
Streetcar.
No, not this one.
Na next. Kapag mga vandals.
Ganun.
Pasiga jud day na. Maski suga sa sakyanan, kotse.
Kung na siya yun. Naman dyan, musika man dyan dire.
Amo
Sabi
ba?
na yung anyo ka ng mag... At the light, turn left onto Shooter Street. Then turn right onto
Amo na ni.
Kid Road.
St. Michael's Cathedral. Yes. Taliksik pa jud.
Taligsik mo. Ganito, nakita mo.
Yeah, here's the St. Michael's Cathedral, guys. Wow.
We did before.
Yeah, the street.
Guys have parking tickets.
Yeah, but like the green stuff, you can park.
St. Michael's Choir School.
Over here. There's a parking spot right here.
Kuan, sa tawag ano.
Mm.
Kanang nidagan lang ba, dagan.
Guys, ni ulan guys, pero budagan na daw ni. Pero nangabasa.
Well, that store there, Henry's,
Yeah.
it's one of the best camera stores to buy a camera.
Hello guys, nami sa St. Michael's Cathedral. Buyag ang akong patron. Ang akong patron saint. Okay. Nice. Nami sa St. Michael, laog ni tumi sa crypt.
Not free,
Crypt. Crypt. No.
Rolls Royce, all the different types.
Baligya. This is a, I think is a adoration chapel. Yeah, adoration chapel.
Hindi na, oo.
St. Michael.
That's it. Catechism of the Catholic Church.
Yeah.
mo na kung gusto mo palit.
Yeah.
Mahal no?
Saint Michael.
Oh.
Sila mga rosary. Medallions. Oh, mau naman din ito. Patong giyagian kanina.
Ginaw sa una abli. Yan na abli ng mga lubong, malubong. Magwash. Gawas.
Oo. So, diha daw no, kanang sa tunga din na middle sa altar na gilubong diha. Probably bishops or archbishops ng mga pari diri sa Saint Michael. So, mao ni ang palibot sa Saint Michael. Sa ako. Right. Private area.
Age 3 months. 1856.
It's more from John Lee.
1851.
51.
That's the earliest.
48
John Lee.
was Elizabeth and Warren. 1851. 16 years.
So if you go over there, you can see that tomb. Right over north.
Yeah.
That one. Go over. Can you see it? Right there. Murray family. That's the tomb.
Okay. Look at the padlock.
Yeah.
It's very old. It's rusty. Rusty. And John Lee. And the Wang's family. So, yun nga, kami secret. Very secret, no? So, Saint Michael. You know what, Carlos?
What?
When I was born, my mama offered me to Saint Michael. He's my patron saint.
Let's go to the middle, right?
I'll bring you a little longer for you. I love it. Thank you.
Oh my God, akong patron. Patron saint ko yan. Saint Michael, the Archangel. Immaculate Heart of Mary, Santa Maria. Going up. Sinami sa gawas.
Kuha mo ni ang ito. Kana hilo, kana na St. Michael's para mabasa niyo.
Sige.
Kana. Muna siya ang panghin.
Ang? Sige, te. Oh, turang isa, oh, busy kayo. So, morning, simbahan sa St. Michael.
Iyan, picturein mo.
Si Manang, naapo dari ate, no? Sumo din ang parish priest, eh. Urag Sri Lanka, no? Te, pakadailan dito, eh. Hi.
Saan na? Aw. Picture ta.
Sige, sige.
Naa si Padre.
Ay, tama. Sige na lang.
Makita man ang nimo sa website niya.
Ano
na yan now?
What?
Kung na nakagwapo ron na na website kada church.
Okay, makita na
Makita na nimo kisay for parish priest. Kaya ako man siya nakita gahapon pag scroll na ko sa time sa mass. Kung mao din ni siya.
Yeah.
Michael's Hospital.
Oh, St. Mike's na
It's
siya.
the best trauma hospital,
Trauma hospital?
the best trauma hospital for trauma.
Mm-mm.
So motorcycle, anything like that,
Yeah.
you get shot,
Yeah?
this is the place to come to.
I thought it's the
It's
Sunny
a-
Grove.
This
downtown
one, St.
trauma.
Michael.
All motorcycle accidents,
Yeah.
all stuff like that, head injury, shots, they come here.
Yeah, St. Michael Hospital Emergency. Oh, police.
Bae,
Yan,
So
picture
very
ko na.
good, a lot of very good trauma doctors and emergency.
picture ka?
Pwede tayo picture.